This is a dream come true. Welcome to Gravity HQ. This is fucking mad.
Love, that's just the drugs. Don't they make you feel numb? You can't feel it all. Maybe if we loved ourselves, it wouldn't be so hard. Wouldn't be so hard.
Stance one of them out. So today we've got a lot going on at the HQ. We've got Andy from, nope, scrap that. So we've got a lot going on at the HQ today. We have got Harry and Emily from Identity Wraps. They are putting some big graphics on the wall and doing our sponsors door for us. We've also got some guys in there putting in some tracking ready for our glass wall, ready for our meeting room so that we can have private meetings, phone calls, Zoom meetings and all that kind of stuff. And at some point in the next 3 hours, we have sofas being delivered. First ever furniture, real furniture, not desks, for the HQ. Very exciting times, big day. Let's go.
Is that going to be like a sliding door?
No, it's just going to be a swing door.
What do we got here?
Whoa!
What are you doing today, mate?
Probably fucking up.
Gravity to there. No, I think that's perfect. Ah, 1, 2, we. No, yeah, I think that's good. The letters are fucked. Peeling all the paint off because it's not prepped properly, so the paint is just coming off. Look at that.
It's literally plasterable.
Oh.
Anyway, back to the drawing board.
I know whose fault this is. Not my job. I'm dreading taking. This is.
Well done, Harry. Oh, that's it.
That's it, you owe me a wall. Perks of the job.
How are you not raging at this? Or are you secretly crying inside?
No, I don't care, we'll just fix it, won't we?
You come in here, you break my fucking wall, mate.
If you squint, it still says grrr. Boy.
There you go.
Stickers. Stickers.
I think it's the sofas. Been waiting for these for months. I wonder if they're going to be nice. Imagine if it's not sofas, it's just something really shit, like a box of bags or something. That is a sofa.
They are bougie.
Chesterfield boys.
Oh, I'm excited.
I've been watching these on eBay for like 6 months.
Oh, was it a little eBay thing?
Yeah, but it's the company that just sells Chesterfield sofas. I found them on there.
It's so cold.
It is freezing.
You know what we need to set up? The Xbox. The
Yeah.
Xbox. Oh, did you buy that shelf for the Xbox? I wondered what that was for. This was supposed to be to hold the Xbox, not the controllers. That does not hold the Xbox. It literally just fell off. Yeah, because the yeah, we can move them around. That's fine. Oh, it smells like old man.
Does it?
Yeah, it smells like old man and cigars.
Give it a whiff.
How many have we got?
6.
Oh, we ain't.
Yeah, I thought I'd just fucking buy loads.
You're a liar.
We're all working from sofas now.
Oh, it's greasy. Hang on, dropping it.
Come on, you wax day. Yeah, where you are. You'll have like a little. We'll get a little. Just sit there.
Yeah, but there's a
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's greasy, didn't I?
Oh. Jesus! Oh gosh! I'm getting a phone call. Hello?
Oi, why are you looking down there? We have just taken delivery of our brand new bunker storage units. This stuff is crazy. Well, as you can see, we have loads of boxes. We are taking this garage to the next level. We are going to have 10 meters, 10 of brand new bunker storage units, from toolkits, tool chests, everything. It is going to look right. We're going to unbox all this stuff now, and a massive thank you to our partners, Bunker.
Manual labour at work.
What are we doing here?
Clearing out the unit, ready for the lifts on Friday. We've also got the big sign going in on Friday and the glass partition going in. So everything is going in on Friday. So we need to make sure everything's clear. All of that. Good going to skip.
Not all of it, because there's still bunker stuff there.
Well, all of this, and then we've got to empty all of that and put all the shit from that in the skip. But that is all the new bunker stuff, and it is unbelievable. Ready for one lift to go here and one lift to go just over there.
Let's get to work, I suppose.
Let's get to it.
First junk pile, rubbish bin, cleared. Now it's time to unbox
Christmas.
the lovely bunker storage. What do you reckon this one's going to be?
I don't know, I might flip it over first.
I hope it's a puppy.
You didn't read the instructions, did you?
No, I literally just sent it and just stuck the things on.
And don't ever let Jordan do manual labour.
Yeah. No, you actually done it right.
Let Jordan do manual labour.
Yes, you should.
Kitchen worktop spec.
got you a present.
Yeah, what's
and
the
in,
present?
In Oscar style, right?
Oh gosh.
I've only got half of it.
Do I open this one?
Yeah, open that one first.
Oh, nice. Yeah. That's the one that you got from, was it Essen?
Yeah.
When the company was selling it.
That suits you, that.
And you got one for me. Fruit of the Loom, yeah, but it's Fruit of the Loom super premium. So that means that that's banging. It's a tin of something heavy. It's an Xbox.
Not any Xbox, the best one that's ever made. So I'll get like Modern Warfare 2, Halo 3 and stuff on it.
Oh, that's sick.
For the office.
Yeah.
And I can smack them about on Modern Warfare 2 Rust.
And I can smack you about on Halo 3.
Do you know what I mean?
Halo 3 no scope city.
Yeah, I'm
Are you having Maryland cookies for breakfast again? You're a fat fuck.
You had pot noodles 30 seconds ago.
You've got a child coming. You're supposed to look after your health, not fucking kill yourself with biscuits.
Cream cheers.
Oh, there's chocolate everywhere.
On the t-shirt!
It's fine, it's frozen, man.
Happy birthday.
Wait.
Three, 420. I think we worked out. Yeah, So, look what we've got coming in. We've got 2 lifts. And the plan is to have one lift here, right by that isolator. So I'm going to be standing where the lift is. And this is going to be Sean's workshop. So one lift here, the other lift is going to go over here. Now this is going to be our storage lift. You might see going in the background doing some orders. So this is our fulfillment center / storage center. So we're going to have another lift, which is going to go here. And luckily, he said that we've measured it right, because if we didn't, we wouldn't be able to move them. And I've just smacked on the door and they're having a meeting, which is quite funny. Sorry about that. Banged on the door, sorry. Hello. Ignore that one.
Shout out to T Rizzy. You got too many cars, mate.
Yeah, this is a bit mad. This is all the car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9 cars.
Too many cars. Shout out to Gravity Fleet. So we've got all the cars out here because we've had to move everything outside so that the lift people, I'm now French, the lift people can go in and put the lifts in. So by the end of today, we're going to have 2 lifts in, which is going to be great because we're going to have one as a storage lift and one as a workshop lift. The progress of the HQ build is just coming on so quickly. Secret, don't tell no one. Secret HQ launch event for our sponsors, partners, and people we work with. So that's going to be really good. So right up here where there's a blank space, we're about to have a light up 3D gravity signs. I'm very excited about that. New GHQ logo and frosting so you can't see in. Shout out Identity Wrap. And now coming in. I still have to paint this, so I'm going to paint this later because look what just arrived. This just arrived, so I can continue painting. Welcome to the bathroom. And in there, we are going to be tiling. It is going to be all tiled, all sorted and ready for being an actual bathroom and not a weird dark place. Now I have to get a mural painting artist man to come, so he's going to project onto the wall, sketch it, and then freehand paint the whole thing, which is going to be great. He's doing that tonight and tomorrow. Tyler man's coming tomorrow morning, and sign people coming in a minute. And then if you come this way, we got sofas delivered.
Nice little sofas.
You might see back there, new glass wall. So that got fitted yesterday. Dom and Matt currently having a meeting. So now we've got a nice little segment so we can have, you might want to edit in secret or some shit if you want to be editing some, like, I don't know, quick no scopes and that kind of shit.
Don't catch a man eating a pan au chocolat.
Oh, he's a stunning pan au chocolat.
Shark cannon.
You want to still be able to try and get like
So professional
Sock
all the
check.
time.
Yeah, I'm just thinking.
No, these aren't London Stock Exchange.
You know what you need? Oh, fuck.
Oh, dusty old knife.
My favourite part of the whole HQ build is happening right now. Pool table for the HQ. Another thing that I've always wanted to have, so I'm very excited to be finally being able to get it. So the final touches are done. It's been a huge effort by the whole of the Gravity team, and we are finally ready to open the doors for the HQ launch.
Good morning.
Good morning!
Good morning, America.
Good morning, Colchester.
Vietnam.
Yes, it is GHQ launch event, and it's very exciting because we haven't done this before. Invite only, sponsors, friends, people we work with, cool cars, good food. It's going to be a good day.
Couldn't hope for better weather, could we?
Beautiful. And we've even got a skyline in a container because why not? Why not?
And
Yes.
She'll
go. Like
She'll dry. She'll dry. Yeah. We'll do a little sweep. Good morning.
Unbelievable, Jeff. Who knows how to set up a pool table? I do.
Me.
No, I was joking. I actually do.
Yeah, you are. Surely you can.
How you doing?
I've never seen anyone more scream Mazda driver than Barney in that, to be honest with you. He suits it perfectly, doesn't he?
Doing some unreleased purchases. Yes, mate. Buying some goodies. We'll get a 6-pack out.
Pregnant lady.
Good evening. Oh my god, I didn't even know she was pregnant. She hasn't announced it yet. God's sake, Oscar. So this is our setup for today. We've got a nice new rug. Over here we've got our £5 sale. Everything on these rails is a £5. We love a £5 sale, it's bargain. All our accessories in our brand new bunker storage drawers. Cable ties. Because everyone needs help keeping their shit together. And over here we've got our brand new range, the solo tees, which are lovely, lovely print. And yeah, hopefully people come down and say hi.
I'll give over.
Look at the ghost, man.
It starts about 40 foot ahead of you. This is a break of the first pool table. I'm either going to ruin the floor, a ball's going to hit the lamp. Look how close the Lambo is to the balls. It's probably not smart.
You got your present.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, Ruby. Thank you. Lovely
Go
stuff.
crazy.
Nice one, thank
Be
you.
in the car in the next 2
I'll go.
seconds. No pressure.
We'll put it on now.
We got a present for you. What? For both of you. Go on, take your picks. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We should chuck one on the Saturday works car, shouldn't we? Just leave one
Yeah.
Just leave one right here for them. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
You got enough hands.
So much. I was saying I'm Indian. I managed to hold everything. One for me.
Who wants a free sticker?
I'll take one. Go flashy. Thank you.
Hello, mate.
All right.
Hello.
How you doing?
Where'd you come from?
West Midlands for me.
What are you? West Midlands?
Good old Crawley. There you go.
Is
It was
man?
actually
I'm well
quicker.
off.
No, because the sat nav yesterday said 1 hour 50, and I did it in 1 hour 20. So
Is yours the S15? Or
yes.
Yours the S13?
180, yep. Bit of
Is it
scrap
the,
there.
You excited for gravity?
Yeah, oh, absolutely, man. I think after last year, but then wanted to come back, do 10 times better for 2024, and you know, me being me, want to go even set the bar even higher this year. So it's gonna be fucking wicked.
Yeah, right, so the day was really good, and so that is the end of our HQ launch. It went very, very well. Thank you to everybody that came. We had some really cool cars, some really cool people, obviously, great coffee, and it was just a really good morning. And it was nice to show off the space we've got finally now that we've built it, and it's all kind of finished or nearly finished. We've got the lifts in, most of the cars in. It was a really good morning, great weather, great vibe, good music, and yeah, it's a great vibe, so I can't wait for the next one, and we'll see you there.